craft family, it's Matt Original here with another quick tutorial on how to use Stripflock HTV. But before we get started, like this video and hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so today we are going to make some new Matt Original shirts with a robot on it inside of a TV. We got this Stripflock HTV from our local crafting store, which we have listed in the comments. This Stripflock gives off a suede effect, so if you want to do something different with your shirts, make them stand out a little more, we definitely recommend this one. Now when you cut this design in your Cricut machine, you want to use the Flock HTV preset and it'll cut this out perfectly. Now I would say that this Stripflock HTV weeds fairly easy, and I like it because you can feel the suede feel it has to it while you're doing your weeding. Alright, so now I'm finished, so this is what our design looks like. Alright, we are just putting this onto a regular gray cotton shirt. We decided to use our handheld press for this project. Now your heat should be between 310 and 311. And you want to press for 15 to 30 seconds. And you can also peel this hot. Alright, and after our robot wouldn't peel off all the way, we decided that we needed to put a little bit more heat on this. So we repressed it again. Now once this Stripflock HTV is on the shirt, it gives off a 3D effect. So it lifts off the shirt and it also feels like suede, so that's a plus. And that's it. We are finished. Here is our design with our Stripflock HTV. We hope that you guys enjoyed. See you next time, and thank you for watching.